have we been talking about?
Shapes.
Shapes. What kind of shapes?
Rectangle.
Huh?
Rectangle.
Well, just one at a time. Raise your hand. Braylee, what have we been talking about? 3D. What can you tell me about 3D shapes? Hmm? You can't clap, yep, but why can't you clap? Because they what?
They're big.
They can
They can stand
stand up by themselves. Now what's the other shapes we've been talking about?
Circle.
Hmm?
2D.
2D, yep. Who can tell me something about 2D shapes? Jaden,
You can't clap.
you can't clap. Why? Because they are
flat.
flat. Yes.
Flat.
All right. So,
You can't stand
Riverly, what's a 3D shape we talked about? A cube. Amani? A what? A what? Sphere. Now, what do you know about sphere? It don't have any what? It don't have any faces. Yep. Remy.
Rectangle prism.
Rectangular prism. What do you know about rectangular prisms?
They have 2 faces.
How about if you have the rectangular prism? Let's see. Let's count their faces. Let me get one out.
4 faces.
Has how many?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. But then we have what?
5. Sides. Corner. Sides.
Yep. So this is their faces. What is this? Sides and corner. Now what did we say about our rectangle and our square? Which one can be which, but the other one cannot be it?
A square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle can't be a square.
Why can't a rectangle be a square?
Because it's too long.
It's got 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
When you put 2 squares, it can be a rectangle.
But with the square, are all their sides, is all its sides equal?
Yes.
Yes. So now guess what we're going to learn? We're going to learn, speaking about equal, we are going to learn about equal parts. Okay? You know what that means? Anybody?
Yeah.
What do you think it means? Sherrod, can you tell me what you think that means? Finding our equal parts on a shape? What do you think that means? Addie, what do you think it means? Do you see a shape up here that might have an equal part? Oh no. Okay, all right, look. Let's see, let's talk about this. So we have our shapes. This is a square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Yes. So guess what? If these lines was not in these shapes, that would be one whole part. So when you're looking at the shape, that's just what? One whole part. Okay? Can you say that? One whole part. That means there's no broken pieces or missing pieces anywhere, okay? So now let's talk about our parts, okay? So if I cut this shape into 2 pieces, what's that going to be? Is that going to be a whole shape anymore?
No.
It's going to be
2
parts, yes. So it's going to be cut into 2 pieces. And that means the square is no longer whole anymore, okay? When you put the parts back together,
It's a hole.
it's a whole again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, let's think about a pizza. okay? When you think about a pizza, it's like a whole circle pizza, right? But when they cook it, it's still together, right? But when they bring it out and they get ready to give it to Sherrod to take home to eat, what do they do first?
Cut it up.
They're gonna cut it up. So they're gonna cut it into triangle parts, right? Pieces. So is it whole anymore?
No.
Nope. It's in parts.
It's in seven.
It's according to how big of a pizza you get, right? Some of them 8 parts.
Some of them 10.
But are most of those parts the same size?
No.
Is most of your pieces of pizza when you get them, are they the same size?
No. Yeah. My
Yeah.
small, big, medium.
Huh?
My small, big, medium, not that size.
Yeah, sometimes they cut them a little funny, but that's where we come in as equal parts. So, if you cut this part, this square straight down the middle, is this side the same as this side? Yes. So that's our equal part, right? But look at this. Look at this one. The circle. Is this size and this side the same? Is that the same? Is that an equal part? No. One's bigger than the other one, right? Okay, so let's see. Let's see who I can get to come help me. Josue, we already said that this one is 2 equal parts, right? So how many, can you tell me how many parts that our circle has? How many parts does our circle have? 2. So we're gonna write our parts right there. Are they equal though? Are they the same size? No. So can you write an N right there? An N right here for no? Yep. Good. Thank you, Josue. Sherrod, look at our triangle. Look at our triangle. How many parts do we have? No? How many parts is that cut into? 2, yeah. Can you write a 2 right there? Right here? There you go. Now, are they equal? Do they look like they're the same on each side? No. Good job, Sherrod. Jaden. Oh, Jaden, look at our rectangle. Do all of our parts look equal? Do they all look the same size? Can you write a Y right there? This is yes. Now, how many parts does our triangle have? Our rectangle. Thank you. Look, I was keeping you on your toes. Let's go see if you noticed. See, Oakley. Oh, we got a circle. Looks like a pizza. Is it equal? Is both parts the same on each side? Okay. Yes. Good. Now, how many parts does it have? Good job. Right, Rayleigh. Can you come help me? Right, Rayleigh. What shape is that? Oh, hold on. Let's see where we're at. We are right here on F. Now, how many parts does those have? No, but they're not equal, are they? Does it have just 2 parts?
No.
Let's see. Now, how many parts does it have? Okay. Good job. See? But, you know what? If we kept on drawing that line like a pizza, then would they be equal?
Yeah.
Yes.
There are 4 parts.
Yeah. Good job. All right. Let's see. Sawyer. Are all those parts equal? Are they the same on every side? Yes. shape is that?
Three.
What shape is that? Square, yeah. Is both of its parts equal? Are they the same on each side? Yeah. Then let's write. Now how many parts does our square have? Good. Now look, when we took that square, when we made it into 2 parts, what do we have now? Two what? Two rectangles. Good. Amani, what shape is that? How did you know it's a hexagon? Because it has how many sides? 6. Good job. Now, are those parts equal? How many parts does it have to it? Alright, let's see what's happening now. Where'd that go? Let's see. Carl. Hey, Carl. Oh, what shape is that? A cube. Now, what is that? Not up here. Okay, now, are those both of those parts equal on the same side? Yep. Okay. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to show you this, and now this is it any kind of a shape, really? Amani and Remy, is it any kind of a shape, really? No, but kind of circles, yeah, yeah. All right, so Amani, can you come do this one? So are they equal on both sides? Yes. Okay. And how many parts? Perfect. Okay. Aiden. Oh, Aiden. What shape is that? It's got 1, 2. Hexagon. How did you know it's a hexagon? Yes. Now, this hexagon is broken into how many, what shape have they broke the hexagon into? No rectangles. Triangles, yes. So how many triangles does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. And are they all the same size? Are they all equal? Yes, good job, Aiden. Perfect. All right, so, let's see. Got some more. I have a couple more. Let's see. Riverly. Yeah. Ooh, Riverly, what is that? That's an M. Yep. Okay. And do they have it divided into parts? Yes. So how many parts is it divided into? Are they equal on both sides? Yes, good. That's kind of like thinking about your body. If you draw a line from your forehead all the way down, are you going to be equal on both sides? Yep, you are. Yep, it's going to be right equal. Yep. All right. I'm going to get Isla. Hey, Isla. Isla, what is that? That's an F. So is it a shape? No. But have they divided it into parts? Yeah. Are they equal parts? both sides? No. So how many parts have they divided it into? Two, yes. Good job. Okay, Addie. Let's come to our last one. All right, Addie. They are equal, and Addie says we have 2 parts. Good job. So, what does this tell us? Can only shapes be divided? No, you can divide pretty much anything. Yep. I can take, let's see. I can take my cup here, and I can divide it. But if I put just this much water in it, are my parts going to be equal? Good job. So now you're going to get your worksheet, and we're going to see on this first page it says what? Color in the shapes that have equal parts. If the shape has equal parts, write how many equal parts it has, okay? If it's not equal, do we need to color it? Well, it'll still have parts, they're just not equal. So like this one, is it equal? Yes. So will you color it? Yes. Sit down. So you'll color. And then how many parts does it have? 2. So you'll write 2. But this one, is it equal parts? So are you going to color it? No. Good. Yes, you can use whatever colors you want. Now this one, well, I've not had anybody directions yet. Sit on your circles. All right, this one, same thing. Color in the shapes that have equal parts, and write how many parts in the line. Oh, okay. This one, same thing. You're going to color it. Yeah. Okay. Now down here on the very back. Sit down. This one right here. Look, I need everybody's eyes up here because when you get back here, you're going to be asking, what do I do? Okay. Here we go. So down here it says draw one line to make this circle have 2 equal parts. Okay. On this one, it says you're going to draw it to have 4 equal parts. Okay? On the rectangle, you're going to draw 2 equal parts, 4 equal parts. Okay? All right, now I need everybody to come line up behind Oakley and get your paper, and you can go get started at your desk. And I will walk around the room to help you if you need. Okay? Quietly. Let's see how silent we can be while we work, okay?